Hey guys, Phil here from TradingView Magical Keyboard Shortcuts. Let me show you the newest cool shortcut that I built. Okay, so this is just for the pro users. You go all the way to the bottom here, enable self-made shortcuts. It's pretty self-explanatory. So once you activate it, what you can do is you can map any key or key combination to any other key or key combination. So let me make an example here. A user of mine requested basically that he wanted to activate the fib retracement tool that he always uses with the X key. And so as you can see here, built in by TradingView, if you go Option F on TradingView, you trigger the fib retracement. So what you can do now is he can add a new shortcut and then click here, press X. So now we registered X. So when he presses X, we will trigger. And now you just go Option F on your keyboard, and then it's stored. In Windows, it's Alt F. I'm using Mac. It's Option F, same thing. So we have now the shortcut stored that easily. So when he presses X, we can trigger Alt F. Let me try it. So if you see here, the fib tool is not selected right now. And I'm going to click X. I'm going to press X on my keyboard. 3, 2, 1. Boom, pressed it. And I can run the fib tool. Let's do it again. At the bottom here, you can actually see what I'm pressing, which key that I'm pressing, just for demonstration purposes. So I'm going to do X again. 1, 2, 3, X. It's activated. And I can use the fib tool. And so by pressing X now, I'm just pressing X all the time. I can really quickly trigger the fib tool. Okay, so that's just one example, and you can assign whatever key to whatever other key. So let's say if I press A, I want the extension to actually press B. Doesn't make a lot of sense, but I just want to demo it. So if I press A, it's going to trigger B. So I'm going to press A. See, now we're just triggering B all the time. Even though I'm pressing A, it's writing B here. You can do this for single keys, or you can do this for key combinations like modifier keys. Let's say when I press N, I want to trigger Shift Option U for some reason. So that's Alt Shift U. So whenever I press N, we're going to trigger this. And on the Pro plan, you can just add infinite amount of self-made shortcuts. So you can just have them all here in this table. You can delete them, obviously. You can disable them if you don't want to delete them. And you can edit any shortcut at any time. Okay, check it out. Give it a spin. Let me know what other shortcuts you want to see. You can go to this website and just click on Request Shortcut. Awesome. Happy trading. Happy charting. Bye-bye.